Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about V-Vaxy car scratch repair wax. So is this really worthy for you? You should purchase or not? So the first thing I want to tell you, this is a very common product and this kind of product is easily available on internet. Okay, so the thing is, you have seen lots of advertisement and all the advertisement they have presented all are, you can say, high quality editing and all are AI generated editing, you can say. So you should not trust any kind of editing video, or you can say any kind of editing advertisement. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you, like you can see, the same product is available on eBay, and the same product is also available on, you can say, AliExpress, Alibaba, you can say. The actual cost of the product is only $1 or $2, and the thing is, I want to tell you, you can see the ratings of the product is very bad on Amazon.com. so you can say, like, this is not you can say like worthy product. It's a totally waste of money product, and after purchasing product you cannot get your money back. Okay, because their return and refund policy is also hard on Amazon.com. You cannot return these kind of product very easily, so you have to accept the order once you get the order. Okay, but if after using product you cannot get any kind of benefits and all, so we can say it's not looking like a good product. You can save your hard-earned money. You should not invest any kind of money in this kind of product. If you have any experience, you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will help for lots of people, and if you have any experience with this product, you can share. Your sharing experience will help in you can say thousands of people and hundreds of people will get lots of benefits. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. I have done my job, now your turn. Okay, so bye bye, thank you.